Welcome everyone. Today I will be sharing the most loved vegetable which is so versatile that it can be boiled, baked or roasted to make nutrition rich tasty recipes. Yes, I am talking about baked potatoes. There are different ways to top a baked potato. I will share 4 different toppings with you, including classic baked potato and Mexican style baked potatoes. So without wasting any time, let's start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I am using 4 russet potatoes here and will start by brushing melted butter on the skin to get that crispier skin. And to prevent potatoes from exploding while baking, it is always a good idea to poke them with a fork first. If you like to eat the skin also, then sprinkle some salt and freshly ground black pepper to get that crunch and flavor in the skin. Now bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to an hour. Baking time also depends on the size of the potato. If the potato is large, then it takes a bit long to bake. Use a fork to check if the potatoes are done. Let potatoes cool down a bit and very carefully cut the potatoes into halves. Now using a spoon, very gently scoop out inside flesh of the 2 halves of the potato, leaving about 1/4 inch of potato on the skin, and transfer the flesh to a bowl. Reserve the skins. We'll start by chopping off some spring onions and cottage cheese. Now add in the spring onions and cottage cheese into the bowl. After this, we'll add cheddar cheese, some mozzarella, around 1 tablespoon of butter, freshly ground pepper and salt, and 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix it very nicely and our first topping is ready to be filled in. Now using a spoon, fill the potato mixture back into the shells. Now let's start making the second filling for the potatoes. For this, similarly scoop out the flesh of the potatoes into the bowl and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now throw in some mozzarella, some cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, parsley, and purple cabbage. Mix it very nicely and fill the potato mixture back into the shells. After this, now let's start making the Mexican style topping. We'll start by adding both mozzarella and cheddar cheese, then freshly chopped cilantro, around 1 teaspoon cumin powder, some chopped tomatoes, boiled beans, and don't forget the red chili powder. Now fill in back the potato mixture into the shells. Now comes the classic style baked potatoes, which are most favorite among the kids and are very easy and quick to make. Just add some butter, salt and pepper, both mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and we are done. Mix everything together and fill in back into the shells. Now place all the potatoes back onto the baking sheet and top with some cheddar cheese before baking. And bake the potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. Our baked potatoes are ready. Now top with some sour cream and enjoy. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.